Hi, this is Robert Spencer here again from COP28 in Dubai for AECOM and for FIDIC. I just wanted to give some updates on what I'm seeing coming out of the event so far. Sort of 5 themes that I want to have a look at. One, I think, is that there's really a big drive now for systemic and integrated change. So just give you a couple of examples. Aviation industry. Back at Glasgow, COP26, quite a fragmented approach, some pilot approaches on sustainable aviation fuel and such. Now we're seeing that industry 2 years later, systematic approach, net zero plans across their industry. And it's happening with shipping now as well. I've been to a number of interesting ports and shippings discussions, one led by Frank Sweet actually with Dubai Ports World. And we're seeing that they're completely on a trajectory to electrify their port systems. We're looking at hybrid shipping. So the next thing we're seeing at this COP is nature on a really massive scale. And I think that's interesting because we're also seeing funding piling into nature as well. And one of the things that I would highlight there is that biodiversity credits coming up fast on the agenda. So I think the next couple of points I want to make are quite closely related. One is that we need and we're seeing this coming out of the talks as well, a structured infrastructure transition. For example, with initiatives like the Buildings Breakthrough, launched by France in partnership with Morocco, and actually the idea came about at Glasgow in COP26, but that's now come to fruition. Many nations and organisations now getting behind the Buildings Breakthrough to have net zero emissions for new buildings from 2030, and a real focus on retrofitting existing building stock to get that down to net zero as well. So the final 2 pieces, I think, particularly for our sector, AECOM, we're infrastructure enablers, we work in the built environment. I think it's all about creating good neighbourhoods that are going to be net zero, are going to be resilient, are going to have nature flourishing within them, so that we get those well-being benefits, we get all those other benefits from having resilient to shocks, integrated net zero communities. There is so much to go at here. I think there's so much energy and enthusiasm from this COP to really make scalable, significant transition, really shift our society and our infrastructure processes, that I think there's a huge amount of work for everyone to do. I'm looking forward to being part of that.